Launched in May 2018, Skyline Clean Energy Fund has a total asset value of $417 million, producing 450 million kilowatt hours of renewable energy via 84 solar assets and 2 biogas facilities. The annual electricity and renewable natural gas produced by our sites equate to powering over 12,000 homes and 6.7 million liters of gasoline combusted on an annual basis. Recognizing that the foundation of this fund was the introduction of the Province of Ontario's Renewable Energy Standard Offer Program, RESOP, in 2006, and its feed-in tariff program, FIT, in 2009, which were both designed to accelerate renewable energy infrastructure development to phase out coal-fired plants, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and boost the green economy by providing long-term, fixed-price contracts for clean energy generation. While originally launched to catalyze investment in this sector, these programs have proven highly successful. As of the end of Q4 2025, it is estimated that Ontario has over 33,000 renewable energy contracts, representing over 27,600 megawatts in commercial operation and an additional 3,300 megawatts under development. Within this market, Skyline Clean Energy Fund currently holds less than 1% of the procured production capacity, with a weighted average remaining contract term of 7.19 years in Ontario. This highlights a significant opportunity to continue acquiring operating, cash-flowing assets, and we are excited to execute on a strong pipeline of portfolios currently under review. Recognizing the federal government's commitment to clean energy mandate, which aims to achieve a net zero electricity grid by 2035 and a net zero emissions economy by 2050, this demonstrates continued support of renewable energy producers to achieve these objectives. Additionally, the Independent Electricity System Operator, ISO, projects that provincial electricity demand in Ontario could increase by 75% by 2050, highlighting the need for development and growth across the sector as a whole. Despite these initiatives introduced 20 years ago, the renewable energy industry is still very much in its infancy and has several positive indicators for continued investment and growth. Skyline Clean Energy Fund takes the position that the renewable energy sector is here to stay. So the asset management team's focus for 2026 is on strategic acquisitions into the portfolio to increase asset size and expand market exposure, as well as investment into repowering its eligible assets and evaluation of implementation of battery energy storage systems, BESS. On repowering, in 2025, the asset management team identified 22 solar assets that would be optimal systems for repowering to increase energy production, generate more income, and increase investor returns. In 2025, 2 systems were repowered and brought back online. And recently, in 2026, another system was completed with a further 6 currently under repowering construction. Looking back, the repowered assets completed in 2025 have seen meaningful results and returns. One system has seen a 39% increase in revenues, while the other has seen a 51% increase in revenues. With these repowering initiatives expected to generate internal rate of return of between 15 and 17% for the fund. Recent positive momentum in the environmental attribute market has been a big tailwind for the fund in the last year. With the resurgence of the Clean Fuel Regulation (CFR) market and stronger guardrails to support the tier credit market in Alberta, the fund has seen a material new revenue stream come into play, which it hopes to continue to capitalize on in the years ahead. Tying this back to our central theme, finding quiet amid the noise, the underlying demand for reliable power and the infrastructure required to deliver it remains a long-term structural reality. As a fund, Our strategy is rooted in owning and operating essential energy assets in regions where that power is most needed. In doing so, we are not only positioned to benefit from sustained demand, but are also providing a critical service that underpins economic activity and supports the energy transition over the long term. Understanding Canada's commitment to its clean energy mandate and the country's long-term population growth targets, Skyline Clean Energy Fund is generating exceptional annual returns with tremendous opportunities for future growth.